Alright, this video has been long awaited. I'm gonna change out my steering wheel. Alright, right now, this is a continuation. The previous video that I shot, there was an issue with the mic and the sound kind of cut out, so I'm just adding this part in, minus all of the dry parts in the other video. So basically, I'm going to explain quick bits of where the harness came from, which is Burger Tuning is where I got the harness from. There's a lot of people on the internet and you read forums that does the paddle shift retrofit without using the harness. You can go that method, but I just didn't want to cut any wires because basically I want the whole experience or the whole retrofit to be reversible, because you never know, and then to be cutting wires, and then if you don't do it correctly you have problems. So it's easier I do a wire harness where you plug and play and all reversible. You understand? It's safer that way. If it's not working and you want to pull it off, you pull it off and that way. But yeah, let's continue with this thing. I just had to make that mention. Taking out the standard steering wheel, put in the sport steering wheel here. I had a previous video talking about how I rewrapped and set it up. Got the airbag. Alright, first step, what's recommended is to disconnect the battery, because you don't want to accidentally have the airbag explode in your face while working on it. So here we go. We know the battery is located in the back. You can't really see it, kind of dark. Now disconnect the negative battery terminal over here. Alright, see that little indentation in the steering wheel? Got to put the screwdriver in here to remove the steering wheel. Straight up, pry it. Hopefully you'll let. Oh, there we go. Kind of popped out one side of the airbag already. Carry it to this side. Get it. Alright, kind of difficult to move with one hand, but on this side now. Square it like that. You see the dimple on this side over here. The screwdriver in. See where the screwdriver's in. Gotta wiggle it. Pops out the airbag. I'm just gonna disconnect this airbag now. Okay, that was easy enough. Put on all these connectors. steering wheel now. Paddle shifters. Alright, let me go turn this on so you can actually see the paddle shifters working. See, look, paddle shifters. Could we zoom in there? 3, 4, 5, 6. Go back down. Remember, this is off the paddles. You see? I'm actually physically touching the paddles. And it's changing. Retrofit is done very well, I would say. Like I said before, this can always be reversed. Just pull out the harness. Steering wheel looking kind of shabby. Look like I need to go do a rewrap on this. But yeah, thanks for watching. Why don't I see myself? Take time and come in with the light. Like I said, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. I'm gonna do a part 2 when I'm actually driving and see how smooth the shifts are. But for right now, I just want to get that installed and show y'all guys what's going on. So thanks again. Stay tuned for more action with iBodies. Yeah, remember I said I'm not into driving lame cars. So yo, stay humble, stay hype, and keep watching. Like, share, subscribe. Bodies!